Watch closely. This baby is having a heart rate of more than 250 beats per minute. Baby is not crying, no fever. This is a medical emergency called Paroxysmal Supraventricular Tachycardia, or PSVT. PSVT is the most common pathological tachyarrhythmia in infants. The heart's electrical circuit gets trapped in a loop, making the heartbeat extremely fast. If it is not treated quickly, it can lead to poor cardiac output, heart failure, or shock. On the ECG, PSVT typically shows narrow QRS complexes, irregular rhythm, absent or retrograde P waves. If the heart rate is extremely fast and fixed, always think of PSVT rather than sinus tachycardia. In a stable baby, we first try vagal maneuvers, like ice to the face. But in this case, the baby did not respond, so we moved to adenosine, the drug of choice with a dose of 0.1 milligrams per kilogram rapid bolus. If ineffective, second dose can be increased to 0.2 milligrams per kilogram. Because adenosine has an extremely short half-life, that is less than 10 seconds, so it must be given very rapidly, ideally through a proximal 4-line. Adenosine is given as a rapid intravenous bolus, followed immediately by a saline flush. It works by temporarily blocking AV node conduction, interrupting the abnormal electrical circuit. And here is the most dramatic moment. Watch the monitor. The heart rhythm breaks and converts back to a normal sinus rhythm with normalization of heart rate. PSVT in infants is dramatic, but highly treatable. Early recognition, rapid diagnosis, and correct use of adenosine can prevent heart failure and death. Follow this channel for real neonatal emergencies explained simply and clearly.